Hello everyone, this is Enia here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create the sliced letter logo in Affinity Designer. This logo is composed of three parts, which appear to have been sliced from each other. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions, and we click on Create. And then we're going to write the letter. So we take the Artistic Text tool. As a font I'm going to use David Libre like last time, and I will set it to bold. I will set the size to 400 points and the color to a dark greenish blue. And then we go ahead and we write a capital C and we center it in the middle of the composition. And then we're going to divide it into three parts. But before we do that, we go to Layer, Convert to Curves. So now the letter is converted into curves. We need to do that before we start doing operations on it with the pen and the node tool. So we press on Escape to unselect, and we take the pen tool. We set the fill and the stroke to none. And we draw a line like this, from the right to the left. And then we take the Move tool. We press on Ctrl J to duplicate the line. And we take the duplicated line and we move it downwards like this. And then we press on Ctrl A to select everything. And we go here to the divide operator to divide the letter along the lines. And then we bring the upper part upwards like this to create the gap. And then we do the same thing with the lower part, like this. So this divides the letter into three. And then we're going to create this part here that goes outwards from the letter. So in order to create it, we take the node tool, we select the upper part, and first we add a node here, and then we select the node at the corner, and we pull it outwards while holding Shift to keep it on a straight line, like this. And then we adjust the node here to make it thinner. And then we can adjust also the node here. So if we want to adjust only one handle, we click on Alt, on the Alt key, and then we can adjust the handle like this. And then we're going to do the same thing for this corner here. So we add a node here, and then we select the node at the corner, and we pull it outwards while holding Shift to keep it on a straight line. And then we're going to adjust the handle to make it thinner, like this. And then we're also going to adjust the handle here. So we press on Alt, and then we adjust the handle. And then we're going to do the same thing here. So we add a node here, and then we select the node here, and we pull it outwards while holding Shift. And then we adjust the handle to make it thinner. And then we're also going to adjust the handle here while holding Alt to adjust it only from one side. And then finally we'll also do the same thing here. So we add a node here. And then we pull this node here outwards while holding Shift to keep it on a straight line. And then we adjust the handle to make it thinner. And then we're going to adjust also the handle here while holding Alt. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a sliced letter logo in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye.